Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E400 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line package with the AMG exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, a nut brown leather interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, E400 4MATIC badging, electronic trunk, set of all-season and regular floor mats, premium 3 package with the driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Burmeister 3D upgrade sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel control, heads-up display, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors and different camera angles, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, rear shade, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E400 has 42,522 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E400 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.